China speaking out against the president this morning, vowing to retaliate if he does impose that additional 10% tariff on that country's goods next week. Let's get more from Eunice Yoon in Beijing. Eunice, we're getting some comments from Macron in France saying he didn't get much hope on tariffs when he was visiting in the last few days. What is the word from China?
Well, the word from China is that the Chinese government is threatening to take what it described as all necessary measures. So this is unlike earlier this month when China vowed corresponding countermoves to President Trump's February 4th 10% tariffs. So immediately after those tariffs had kicked in, China had come up with its own actions. So these included counter tariffs, export curbs on critical minerals, a blacklisting, as well as flagging a probe into individual U.S. companies. And these were seen as relatively mild, but that they sent a message of what Beijing could do. So investors here today dropped stocks. They were worried about the potential for escalation of tensions. The research house ANZ had said that with the March tariffs, the average U.S. tariff on Chinese goods could reach 33%. So it expects a hit to Chinese GDP. Now, the timing of these tariffs would also be quite interesting because they'd be coming in one day before President Xi Jinping heads into one of the biggest political gatherings of the year in this country, the National People's Congress. This is a time when the Beijing leadership unveils what the economic blueprint for the year is going to be. So there is very likely going to be many investors looking to see if there's going to be more mention of stimulus.
Is there any indication, Eunice, that there's going to be talks or a deal? For instance, that's what's happening with Mexico and with Canada. First of all, what the Trump administration wants and how much China is willing to do to get there.
Well, President Xi is in a different position than the Canadians and the Mexicans. Because of the nature of the relationship with the U.S. and China is much more adversarial. So President Xi isn't going to want to appear as though he's bending to American pressure. So that's one point. What also I think is interesting is that in the commentary, unlike Mexico and Canada, China didn't indicate at all as to whether or not they would address what appears to be motivating President Trump for these tariffs, and that is the fentanyl trade. So today, the Chinese said that this was just passing the buck, but it looks unlikely that he would necessarily pick up the phone and call President Trump to be able to work this out. In fact, a lot of the discussion here is that he's probably going to, or at least the Chinese would wait it out and then hope for some larger deal. That's something that they would benefit from.
Eunice, has anyone there from the government made mention of the fact that China stocks for the year to date are up 18% and the S&P's red?
Oh, a lot of people have been talking about the stocks and the Chinese stocks and how exciting it is. And a lot of that is driven because of the interest in tech. So it's just that every day when you look at state media, there seems to be either an announcement of a Chinese tech company coming up with some sort of chat bot or talking about their AI or integrating DeepSeek, or it's the pumping up from state media and patting their backs that the Chinese are doing so well in this area.
Eunice, thanks. We'll see what happens certainly over the weekend and next week. Going to be an important one. Eunice Yoon